Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hamid and hope you are doing well. From today we will start learning about SolidWorks from basics to the advanced level. In the first SolidWorks tutorial exercise, we will learn about the introduction and user interface of SolidWorks. When you open the SolidWorks, then this welcome window appears, and if this welcome window is not visible to you, then just go to new and this window will appear. Here the first one is the part where we create a 3D model. Then the second one is assembly, where we assemble the different parts of a 3D model, and the last one is drawing, where we create a 2D drawing of a 3D model. We start from the part, then just click on the part and click OK. This is the interface of the SolidWorks. The first one is the SolidWorks menu, and here this is the file menu command, and the part written here is showing that we are working on the part 1, and here is the SolidWorks search, where we can search the different things, and the most important feature of this is commands. By selecting commands, we can select the commands if we forget during our working, I forget where is the Pane command, then I just write Pane here, and here it comes Pane. I select it and can use it. And if I want the location of the Pane command, then I will just click on the I, so that I can see that where is the Pane command. So just click on I, and here you can see that the Pane command is in the view, from view, then from the modify, and here is the Pane command. So this is very important feature and very useful feature of the SolidWorks. By selecting commands here, we can search any command. Then this one is called the command manager, and here our commands are given with text. If we want to remove the text, then just click on it and unselect the use large buttons with text. Now the text is removed from our commands, and if you again want to write text with the commands, then just click and select the use large button with text here. So our commands with text are again comes here. Now these are the tabs of the SolidWorks, and we can remove or add tabs from here. Like I want to add a weldments tab here, then I will just right click on it and will select the weldments from here. So the weldments tab is added here, and if I want to remove the sheet metal tab from here, then I will just right click on it and unselect the sheet metal tab. Now you can see that sheet metal tab is removed. So this is the feature manager design tree, and here we have the different planes, and we can also see the history of our 3D model from feature manager design tree. And this one is called as triad, and you can see the last bar. This bar is called the status bar, and here you can see the editing part. Here it updates us according to our model, and the most important thing is here, that is the unit system. By clicking on this, we can change our unit system. Like we want to work in inches, we want to work in meter, we want to work in millimeter, and I have selected millimeter from here, and all my dimensions will be in millimeter. So you can select the unit according to your required dimensions, required geometry. So this is the task pane, and this task pane we will discuss it in detail in the next videos. And here is the view head up toolbar, and if you want to remove view head up toolbar from here, then just right click on this command manager and unselect the view head up. Then you can see that it is hidden. And now if you want to come back the view head up toolbars, then just right click on it and select the view head ups, and it will come again. Similarly, if you want to remove feature manager design tree, then just click on the dot, then it has been hidden. And if you want to come back it again, then just click on the dot, and here it appears again. So this is the interface, and this area is called the graphics area, where we create our 3D model. This was all about the introduction of the SolidWorks. Now we will learn about the basic commands of the SolidWorks. Whenever you create a sketch or a model, you have to select the plane first. I'm going to select the top plane and make it normal. Then just go to the sketch, and from sketch I choose line. I'm selecting the line from here. And whenever you create a sketch for a 3D model, use origin as a reference point, because it will be very helpful for us to create a 3D model. Then I have selected the origin as the first point. Then I have to choose second point, and here you can see that the yellow box that is showing the relation of our line, that is horizontal line. And you can also see the angle and the dimension of this line, that is increasing, and the angle is 180 degree. So choose the second point, and I have choose the second point. Now if you want to come out from the line command, then just right click and select and click on select from here. Now we are out of our line command. Now if I want to give the dimension to this line, just go to smart dimension and select line, and now give our desired dimension to this line. I'm giving the dimension of 100 mm to this line, and it is a line of 100 mm. And if you want to go out from the dimension command, then just press escape from the keyboard, and now we are out of the dimension command. Now I'm choosing line command again in order to complete my sketch. And here you can see the yellow box that is showing our line is vertical, and here you can see the angle and the dimension, and again the yellow box relation. Then I'm completing my sketch. You can see from here that the tracking line is available for us, that is towards the origin. From this we can make our sketch easily. Now you can see that our sketch has been shaded with the blue color. That is very helpful. If you want to remove this blue color, then just go to the shaded sketch contours and select it. Now it has been removed, but I suggest you that you keep this because it will be helpful in order to check that our geometry is completely closed. So I'm keeping this. Now you can see that some lines are black, and the lines some are blue, and here in the status bar you can see that our sketch is underdefined. The blue lines showing that our sketch is underdefined. We have to give dimensions to these lines in order to fully define our sketch. So in order to define this line, I will give dimension to this line, and I'm giving the dimension of 70 mm to this line. So similarly giving dimensions to the other lines, and I'm giving the dimension of 20 mm, then again 20 mm. Actually this we will choose the 30 mm. So this dimension is 20 mm, and this dimension is also 20 mm. Now this dimension is 20 mm, this is 20 mm. So here we have given dimensions to our sketch, but some lines are still blue. Then it again showing that our sketch is underdefined. We have to fully define our sketch. Now I'm choosing this line and this line in order to create a relation. Now you can see that our relation list comes here. From here we can add the relations, make it parallel, make it equal, or make it collinear. I want to make these two lines collinear, then just select collinear and select OK. Now these lines have been collinear. From here we can see that some lines are still blue. It means that we didn't specify any dimension, then we did not specify this dimension, and I'm giving the dimension to this line as 20 mm. Now you can see that our sketch is fully defined. Now if I want to give dimension to this, then here it shows that our sketch is overdefined. Either we have in order to solve this problem, we have two options. Either we have to make this dimension as driven or leave this dimension as driving. Now I'm selecting this dimension as driven. Okay, now this dimension is driven. If you change this direction, this dimension will be automatically changed. Like I want to give this dimension as 30 mm, then it will be automatically changed and it is 10. Now if you want to make this dimension as driving and this dimension as driven, then you can also make this then in order to do this, we have to move out from the dimension command, then just select escape from the keyboard, and we are now move out from the dimension command, and I want to make this dimension as driven and select from here the driven command, and similarly the right click on the other command and unselect the driven command from here. Now we can change it, then this dimension will be automatically changed, and I'm selecting here 30. Okay, now this dimension is automatically changed and it has been become 10. So this is the method in order to solve the sketch our defined problem.